Hamster Kombat. Okay. Um, this is another Telegram mining bot. You can see I'm claiming I have an auto mine that mines for me. So even if I'm not on the app or on the bot, it mines automatically for me. So I'm going to show you how. So basically, when you click on the registration link, it's going to bring you to this page. So the first thing you want to do is to click on N. When you click on N, you come here, you see daily reward. So there's a daily reward you get from the platform. So for every day you come here, just click on daily reward, and then for the next 10 days you earn from 500 units to 5 million units. So on day 1 you earn 500, on day 2 you earn 1k, day 3 you earn 2,500, on day 8 you earn 500,000 units or 500,000 points, on day 9 you earn 1 million points, on day 10 you earn 5 million points. So it's as simple as that. It's quite easy to actually gather points, but you can as well come down here and execute all these tasks to earn more points. All these tasks down here are actually one-time tasks, but the daily reward, for every time you come to claim, every day you have an opportunity to claim something from the daily reward. So don't take full advantage of this daily reward every day. So now let's come to mine. When you click on mine, let me just explain what this thing is all about. So now, for me to be able, you can see at the top of my screen here, you're seeing that I'm mining 11,000 units per hour. 11,000 units per hour, right? Now this 11,000 units per hour means so long I'm out of the platform, I'm out of this Hamster Kombat mining bot for 3 hours, the bot is going to mine automatically for me for 3 hours. So if it goes beyond 3 hours, I'm going to miss out. I'll not, if I don't claim what has been mined for me under 3 hours, it will stay that way. The mining bot will automatically stop. So you need to always come back here to claim your claim your points every 3 hours, which is almost impossible, especially for those who are quite busy. But even if you're busy, you can still take advantage of it. Even if it's twice or 3 times a day, you have the time to come to click on this. Please take advantage of it. So how do you get these points? Now, as you can see, all these fan tokens, this BTC pair. Now, okay, let me this thing is my profit per hour is 11,430 11.43k, right? I don't know what that is anyways. I'm confused. So if I click on this BTC pair, they are going to deduct 933 units for me, and they are going to increase my mining points by 286 per hour. So let me click on it so that you see so you can see the 4.3k has now changed to 4.9k, right? So you can, after you have mined and gotten, let me say, your first 10 days, you can come here and make a bit of these purchases. You don't need, you see, if you notice, this particular fan token is 85,000 units. It is 65,000 units, and it will only increase your mining points per hour to 9,700. So now I want to buy it. so that you see what's going to happen. So it's going to increase now. It has now increased to 13,112k per hour. So please, you can buy a few of these. The ones that are activated, you can see some of them are not activated, they're actually locked. So you can buy the ones that are activated, a few of them, to assist to help you increase your mining. But if you're not so busy that you can come here to claim every 3 hours, go ahead and buy as much as you can. But if you're busy, then I'll advise you not to buy so much, so that you don't end up wasting your points just because of this. So that's that for it. Then you come here now. what this does is you can keep tapping. You can tap this. You can tap. Make use of this tap to earn your points. You can make use of these taps to earn your points. So for those who are already used to tap swap, Notcoin, Doublecoin, Capybara, this should be very easy for you. You should know what to do here. Basically, most of Telegram mining bots actually has to do with tapping, like the game. They call it a game, but this is not really a game to me. So that's that. So let's click on Airdrop. No, not Airdrop, not N. Friends, not friends. Mine. Something. Okay, now Boost. Now, when you click on Boost is where you can buy your energy speed. Now, let me come back here. Now, this boost. This is you can boost this, and you can also boost this 10 units. As I'm tapping my screen, you can see 10 units, right? So you can actually boost this 10 units further. So if you click on boost, now for me to move to level 5, I'll be charged 16,000 points, and my tap per unit will now become 11. For me to move to level 5 here, I'll be charged another 16,000 points, and my recharge boosts here, this 5,500 will now increase to 6,000. So that's what this is about. So long you have sufficient units here, sufficient points here, you can take advantage of it. But I will not advise you to buy so much. Your focus is to earn more units. So why will you be spending so much money to buy the units? You don't know how much time you have left. So all you should focus on is claiming your daily points and ensuring that you can tap and claim as much as possible. So I think that's all for Hamster. All right, bye bye.